Going to talk about a rotten cold. I've not been well. I've been snottering for 2 days. I feel weak and debilitated. That's a smashing word, that. I used to have nervous stability. That was wrote on my sick lines. That's just doctor speak for alcoholism. Them days, I really was no well. My present no wellness is kind of insignificant compared to their days. But anyway, at the moment I've got this rotten cold. I'm hot to touch and I feel shivery. I feel like damp newspaper, discarded in the street on a dreich Monday morning draped in drizzle. But at least I'm not at my work. Work is a toad that squats on my head. My nose is all red round the edges, and tomorrow I'll probably be scabby. I've got a hairpin on my mouth, that's a cold sore, and it's throbbing. You only want to kiss me. Know that I get knocked down in the rush when I'm healthy for people to kiss me. My qualities are mere ephemeral. I think that if that means mysterious and enigmatic. Shite. I've just sneezed. But it's good to sneeze, per se. It's bad to sneeze onto a keyboard. That could easily gum things up with mucus. But sneezing is quite interesting. You have this tremendous, constant expectation which goes from 0 to tap in several seconds. Your whole face is held in suspension. If you took a photo of it, you'd look fear. Then the rush starts somewhere in the centre of your head. Your whole body tenses, an empirical knowing of the power to come. For a split second, there's a hiatus, a sweet, almost kind of sexual anticipation. Thereafter, air and atomised snotter blasts out your facial orifices at 400 miles an hour. Afterwards, a complete collapse of tensions, pure emptiness, exquisite relief. You could probably want to smoke a cigarette now. But normality returns in the fast lane. Tension, mugginess, debility, all the downside of having a cold. Matter of fact, if it wasn't for sneezes, I think folk would kill themselves when they had a cold. I've got to breathe through my mouth because my nose is blocked up with foreign substances. I wish I was well again. I hate suffering, even small sufferances. I like the comfort zone. I'm usually happy when I'm in good health because I've got a kind of low thrill threshold. I can enjoy all sorts of things other folk think is quite plain. I had lots of excitement and a very high thrill threshold when I had nervous stability. And take it from me, I never knew I loved life till I nearly lost it. I love living, I love the world, I love people, cats, dogs, dancing, breathing. That's why I want to be well again. But if I don't get better, if I die, the world owes me bugger all. I took some chances, I had astonishment. The sore bits were a special education. It was good. I would do it again. Except for, well, I injured some people that didn't deserve it. I'll maybe no do that the next time. If I get it next time, that is. Thank you.